beauty lovers, how are you doing today? My name is Czarina. In today's video we are going to be talking all about this, and this is my Boxy Charm for the month of October. I did receive it today and I'm so excited to dive in here and give you some swatches to let you know how I really feel about this month's box. Before we jump right to it, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. I do a lot of video reviews, tutorials, so check out those past videos because they might actually be helpful for you as well. If you're looking for a product or something, you can always search my channel. Boxy Cham. If you don't know what Boxy Cham is, it is a subscription box and it's all beauty products. So you can get hair products, skincare products. They always have palettes and like sets in here. So it's awesome because for $21 and some change, you do get 4 to 5 full-size items. Sometimes they would throw in a little bit more in there, like a little sample in there to kind of give you like that 6th item. So the total on this box is over $100 most of the time. So I am super impressed. I don't know how they do it. It's just really amazing and it blows my mind. So in each of the box you do get something like this, and this is a pamphlet. So if you're familiar with Ipsy also does this. But what I like about Boxy Cham is that they do have the description of everything and also the prices. So if you're trying to calculate everything, you have the prices in here. So the first product I would like to talk about is this mascara right here, and this is the Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did post this on my story because I was blown away by how amazing this looks in my eyes. My eyelashes, oops, my eyelashes actually. This right here, that's my natural lashes, and for some reason I never ever get full length lashes like that. I do like the Tarte mascara, but it never gives me that type of lashes where like it's super long and it's volumizing. So this one is amazing because it just gives that awesome length in your lashes. And if you have like more natural lashes, this would probably look awesome on you and you would look like you actually have lashes on, which is amazing. So in this tube you do get the traditional bristles right there, and what I like about this is that it covers all of your lashes. Like you can actually get in there because it's not too thick and it's not too thin, so you can actually get it in there, wiggle your way around it, and also roll it in there, and it does give you that volume and length that you are looking for, honey. So that is really awesome, and it's very lightweight. It's not like one of those mascaras where like it's weighing your eyes down because the formula is so heavy on your lashes. It's not like that at all, and that's what I love about this mascara. Again, this is $24. Alright, so the next one in here is a peel mask, and this one is from Dermovia Lace Appeal. So this is with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. So that's what it looks like right there. So again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there, because if I don't have it yet, I'm gonna have a post up about how to use this product. So in here, there's 2 lace masks that's included. So I already used the other one. So it does look like lingerie right there. But what you do is after you apply this thing right here, this is the actual mask or the peel off mask right here. It's a black mask. So you would apply it on your forehead, on the sides of your face, in your nose area, and in your chin, and then you would apply this on top of that. And you would wait 15 minutes to peel it off, and this is what happens. So the only thing that sucks about this is that the actual mask is not reusable, so you can't really use that anymore. And with this one, it has a tingling sensation, and I do like that. However, I didn't like the peely part of it. My skin is too sensitive for that type of stuff, but I mean, it did look awesome afterwards. Like my skin was glowing, and I did love that about it. But I felt like some of my peach fuzz was like taken off, like, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I mean, I do like it, but I don't like it. I don't know. This is kind of like a lingerie on your face type of thing. So, I mean, you decide. So the third product in here is actually the box. So this is the Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. So this is what it looks like. So you do get your face stuff in here, but you can also use these as eyeshadow. So I did use this all over my eyes right here. And again, follow me on Instagram because I did use this to create this look right here. So if you would like to see it. And also these ones are super, super awesome. I do have this as my highlighter right here, and I do have this as my blush as well. So the only thing that I really didn't use for the face is this one, because I felt like it was too dark, but even that you can use as an eyeshadow. So that's what it looks like, and I do like this because it has a lot of pop of colors in there, and you also have your face part in here. And it's great for traveling as well because you do have that nice mirror. Even though it's little, it's still very usable. So these are the swatches. So the top is the face product in there. So as you can see, that nice highlight in there is what I have on, which is really, really pretty. And it goes with a lot of different skin tones. So that's awesome. And then this one is, I would use this as a blush or as an eyeshadow as well. So that one is really, really nice. And again, like I said, this one is also really awesome for darker skin tones as a highlight. And then the last one in here, you could use that as a blush as well. So pretty awesome. And then for the eyeshadows, right over here, so it's not as pigmented as you want it to be, but it's very, very buildable. So I did use my fingers to swatch these, and again, they're really nice. There's not a lot of fallout. I did use this matte shade right here. There's only one matte shade in this palette, but I feel like that's okay. I mean, like, with the way this is going, you're probably gonna get a lot of smoky eyes in this. So this one I did use all over my eyes, and then I topped it off with this one. And then underneath here, the gold that you're seeing underneath my eyes is this shade right here, which is the greenish, almost like an old gold type of shade. So I do like that a lot. And then in my inner corners, I did use this silver shade right here. So it's pretty awesome. You do get a nice smoky look with this palette. And for this one, this is $38 if you do buy this all by itself. It does have a little bit of a fallout in it, but nothing too bad, and it's very workable. And again, like I said, this is awesome for, like, you know, if you're trying to go for that smoky look, smoky eye look. And I do love this part of the palette as well, because I do feel like you can get a lot of use out of this, not only for face, but you can also use it for eyeshadows as well. So really enjoy that one. All right, so the next product in here is from Kat Von D, and I'm so excited because I got the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Lolita. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's awesome, and it's in my lips as well. So that's what it looks like. It has a nice doe foot applicator right here. I'm so glad I got this because I ran out of my Lolita. So yeah, so this color is perfect for fall. The only thing that I'm going to say is that it's very matte. Like, it will really get into the fine lines of your lips. So if you're not in for that, you might not like this, but as you can see that this is accentuating the fine lines on my lips. But I really don't mind it, you know, because I'm going to be taking this off anyway. I mean, if it was in the morning where I'm going to go to work and stuff, I would probably do something about that. But yeah, so this is what it is. It's really pretty and I love it. And with this one, if you do get this at Sephora, it's $20. So again, that is the price of the box. Alright, so the last box. In here is, this is the Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this is what it looks like. So it has this green consistency, and it does feel like a balm, and it smells really awesome. Kind of smells a little bit minty in there, but what you do is you basically grab some of this, apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face to give you that nice cleansing, and your face will be free from makeup right after you apply this, and then take it off with a damp cloth, and that's basically it. It's pretty awesome. So what this does is that it melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wearing makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. So what I like about Farmacy is that they use only amazing products for your skin. So I am definitely looking forward to trying this out. So the box that I got is number 1, and I am not 100% sure. I think this is like £1 or something when I got the tracking information. So all in all, the total of this box is $134. I would highly recommend BoxyCharm, especially if you are in love with a lot of palettes and you would like to try a lot of different things. This is definitely something that I would navigate you to, so I would, you know, highly recommend it. I will put all the information down in the description box for you guys. Let me know what you think, and if you got your Boxy Cham, what do you guys think? Did you guys think it's good? What is your favorite? What are you looking forward to getting? Let me know down in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye.